In a quiet corner of a dimly lit city, a narrator invites the audience into a warm, open heart. An anonymous letter is introduced, signed only with a nameless ache, revealing a story of love, longing, and regret. Through the letter, the author wrestles with infidelity and gratitude, letting memories spill like rain on a window pane. Cinematic visuals of candles flicker and rain beads trace the glass as the emotion swells without shouting. The closing breath asks viewers to share their untold stories in the comments, inviting connection and healing.